Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use the Webull options calculator. First, navigate to the options chain for the stock you are interested in. Then, select a specific call or put option. You will then input your desired strike price and expiration date to begin your analysis. This tool helps visualize potential trade outcomes easily. Next, understand the key metrics displayed. Implied volatility indicates the market's expectation of future price swings. The Greeks, like delta and theta, quantify different aspects of an option's risk and sensitivity. By understanding these, you can better evaluate potential profit and loss scenarios for your chosen option strategy. Now, let's adjust some scenarios. You can change the underlying stock price to see how your option's value might react to market movements. Modifying the expiration date helps you observe the impact of time decay, or theta. Also, experiment with different volatility assumptions to understand their effect on your trade. Finally, analyze the outcomes. The calculator provides clear profit and loss graphs, helping you visualize potential results. Use this information to compare various strategies before committing to a trade. This powerful tool helps you refine your trading plan and make more informed decisions with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.